Do you really know the meaning of the word tolerance? If not, stay tuned. Hello. Do you really know the meaning of the word tolerance? If not, stay tuned. Good day, everyone. Rogelio here, and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will get updated with my uploads, videos, and live streams. Today, we are going to talk about tolerance. So join me as we learn from this video. What is tolerance? Tolerance means to accept differences. Tolerance means showing respect for the race, religion, age, gender, opinions of other people or groups. Tolerance is positive and cordial effort to understand another beliefs, practices, and habits without necessarily sharing or accepting them. By Joseph E. Osborne. Peace begins with tolerance and respect for everyone. Why is it important to be tolerant? Tolerance is an important concept that helps people to live together peacefully. To be tolerant means that you accept other people's opinions and preferences even when they live in a way that you don't agree with. Tolerant people show strength in that they can deal with different opinions and perspectives. Here are three tips on how to be tolerant of others. First, listen carefully without jumping to conclusions. It's really easy to blow someone off as soon as they strike up conversation with you, almost like you're mentally rolling your eyes even though you're nodding politely. For once, listen to what they're saying. Really listen. Don't be put off by their appearance or the fact that someone else told you they're a little weird. Listen to them, at least for a while. We all want to be heard. Number two, try to understand the other person's point of view. Now that you're listening to someone, resist the urge to totally discount what they're saying because it sounds funny or weird to you. If you're not totally sure about the point they're trying to make, ask them questions. Try to understand what they're telling you. Maybe they aren't getting their point across as clearly as they think they are. Number three, agree to disagree. You might not agree with a person and their beliefs or opinions, and that's okay. We're all different. That definitely doesn't mean you have to become best buddies and switch over to their way of thinking. But once you accept that it's okay to agree to disagree, it should be a lot easier to have discussions with people. Tolerance porn. We are all born in a different way, how we look and what we say, from different countries around the world, of different genders, boys and girls, of many sizes and colors too. The things we like and the things we do. If everyone were the same you see, you wouldn't be you and I wouldn't be me. Thank you so much for listening and for joining me for this video. I hope you have learned something today. Till next time, bye everyone.